Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper, and I'm here for Stamp With Us. It's an open collaboration hosted by Thelma Hall and Susan's Heartstrings. Last week I stamped with this fun set from Grabie. It's called The Secret Tea Break, and I have since fussy cut and colored them. To color them, I used the cute little colored pencil set that came in the August Grabie Scrapbook Club box. There's even a little sharpener on there. And I had a lot of fun. I made some tags and other embellishments, mostly tags. Here is this little critter. So fun. And here's how the tree turned out. I really like that. I think this would look good on a Halloween card. And we have the little butterfly, and then I put the badger. He has a pot of coffee, so I said coffee, tea, just for fun. Here is that badger again. Coffee beans, placed a journal here. Here's the beautiful fairy, and this is an altered plain card. I used the banner and said "Want a cuppa?" and there's the beautiful teacup and teapot. I put these two on a little card. I used this frame stamp and fussy cut that, and then I added them to it, and I called them the Dapper Duo. This is a little envelope with the mushrooms on, and inside is a little card that's blank inside. Has the little rabbit in her pink dress. And I had some fun with the little hand and the tiny banner. Right here, these are the stamps I used for that one. Very fun. We're gonna keep stamping some of the unmounted stamps that I got at a rummage sale. And I also want to stamp the signature stamps for these two cards that I made. So the first thing we're gonna do is stamp our sample sheet. These end up going in a binder. I'm using transparencies that I got on Amazon. They were 8.5 by 11, and I cut them in half. I think I have one more stocking, but I just need to find it. I might have put this owl on a different sheet, but he's gonna go on this one too, so I may have him twice, and that's okay, he's too cute. This is a very cute holly and berry. Really like that. That would be a good signature stamp too. cute. This is a skating Santa. A pretty peace dove. Beautiful star. This is a line of Christmas trees. I'm just stamping in my VersaFine for these sample sheets, but I think this would be beautiful stamped in blue or green. This one probably should be stamped in blue too, because the background is solid, but it's really cute. And one more. There's no business like snow business. Now I didn't get a perfect image there, but you can see it well enough that it will work fine. And what we do is we sandwich the stamps between two pieces of the transparency, and then this will go on the other side and we'll put it in a binder. I'll show you. Got these mini binder page protectors, also from Amazon. These are all the stamps we've organized so far. Snowmen. These I need to do samples of. Those are penguins. Another one that I need to do samples of. Penguins, and then actually these two are snowmen, penguins, Christmas, and we just did this Christmas. So I've got a couple more sample sheets that I need to stamp out here. But I think that's about all I want to put in the binder, because maybe I could do another sheet, but I don't want it to get too heavy. We'll see. Now, I had stamped off some extras and I had colored them in with colored pencils, and I can use these for the signatures. I have some of these tiny stockings and this stocking. Let's do the Christmas tree and this larger stocking. Those will be the signatures for these. So I just had fun coloring them, and then I fussy cut them out, and I found this little container to just hold them in until I'm ready to add a signature. Since these are a little bit smaller, I'm going to use my glue press to get them adhered. And then we'll sign them. Voila, those are ready to go. Keep on stamping, scrapping, and paper crafting.